Hello po, this is Ambassador PB Palma and this is a formal invitation to you sa Crypto 888 program. Bago ang lahat, pasalamatan natin ang nag-invite sa'yo na panoorin ang video na ito. Once done, you can find his or her details below for you to contact him. Noong unang panahon, ang konsepto ng pera ay iba sa kung ano ito ngayon. Nagsimula tayo sa pakikipagkalakalan, hanggang gumamit tayo ng ginto at pilak, hanggang magkaroon ng perang papel, at nabuo ang konsepto ng bangko. Sa bangko natin tinatago ang perang pagmamay-ari natin, hanggang nagkaroon ng debit at credit cards, at ngayon, nahihinog na ang konsepto ng digital money. Welcome to Crypto 888. Meet the people behind the program. Siya si President Roy Steinbach. Siya ang ating masayahing CEO. With more than 15 years of experience as senior broker in Oslo and London, siya ang napili ng company na mag-lead sa growth at expansion nito. Alam niyo ba na maraming kumpanya na ang napa-IPO ni Sir Roy Stein? Meaning, naging available sa stock market ang previous companies na pinamunuan niya. You'll know more about him sa ating mga trainings. Siya naman ang ating Chief Operating Officer na si Mr. Paul Berntsen. 20 years in sales and marketing, siya ang naghahawak ng finances at daily overviews ng company. Siya naman si Mr. Alexander Romanov, na isa sa mga nag-conceptualize ng Senate Holding, na ating mother company at isang successful MNC o multinational company na ngayon. Meet our legal counsel, an international lawyer, Attorney Peter Forsberg. He handles legal concerns about Crypto 888. He made sure na ang program na dadaluhan nyo ngayon ay nagpa-follow ng international legal standards. With these people behind the campaign, tayo ay nakasisigurado na tayo ay nasa the best company in the digital currency industry there is. Alam niyo ba na during the launching of Crypto 888 sa Diamond Hotel sa Manila, nagkaroon ng private message ang ating CEO para sa mga Filipino members nito? Ito ang assurance na hindi ka pa decided at nagsisimula, ay nasa likod mo na sila at handang sumuporta. Meet the Philippine team with its core leaders, Ms. Mitch Swady, Mr. Bobby Casilaw, and yours truly, Ms. PB Palma. We are clients as well ng Crypto 888. Nabigyan ng chance na ma-meet ang management at magsimula ng programang ito sa Philippines and worldwide. We will be the first to invite you to visit the office at Unit 2903, Atlanta Center, 31st Annapolis Green Hills, San Juan, Metro Manila, Philippines. Yes, you've seen that right, na-feature po tayo sa The Philippine Star with our leaders from Philippines and abroad. These are some clips of our office opening. Since operational tayo sa Philippines, kailangan you know our licenses. Yes, tayo po ay nagko-comply sa batas ng Philippines. From BIR, SEC, even to the Mayor's Office, lahat po yan ay nagre-regulate ng ating transactions. Now, let me discuss with you the gist of this program. By knowing the passive income program and the packages. Passive income means kahit wala kang ginagawa, kumikita ang pera mo. Every week, rewards percentage will be announced sa ating online dashboard. No sponsoring required, no invites necessary. Tayo ay umahati lamang sa kita ng company na generously ay pinoprovide every week sa bawat member. Here are the packages and sample computation based on the past 6 months of the program, and the figures you will see are the withdrawable cash and club account. For this, finix natin ang conversion ng euro. 1 euro is equal to 50 pesos. What happened sa mga members na sumali sa program 6 months ago? Ang halaga ng Philippine Starter Package ay 8,500 pesos. Kasama dito ang isang starter voucher at mga complementary products and services like 20 ebooks, 4 training stubs, unlimited access sa mga online webinars, online marketing materials, physical marketing materials, membership card para sa ating Manila office. Kung inactivate mo ang iyong starter voucher 6 months ago, by this time, meron ka ng 12 octacoins na nagkakahalaga ng 5 euros each as of October 19, 2015 at 10.93% cash value increase sa iyong puhunan. Next is Trainee Package. Sa Philippines, this will cost you 29,500 pesos. Kasama ang isang trainee voucher at 100 ebooks, 6 training stubs, and the rest ay pareho lang sa naunang package. Tignan nyo ang paglago ng puhunan sa trainee package. If you started 6 months ago, by this time, meron na kayong 73.05 octacoins. Again, bawat isa ay nagkakahalaga ng 5 euros at 23.76 cash value increase sa puhunan mo. Dadako tayo sa mga malalaking packages.
Meet the Basic Package. Sa Philippines, nagkakahalaga ito ng 56,500 pesos. With 500 ebooks at 10 training stubs, tignan nyo kung gaano kalaki ang return nito. Almost 38.95% ang cash value increase with 160 octacoins, which each ay worth 5 euros.
Now let's talk about the Premium Package. Premium Package will cost you 161,500 pesos with 1 premium voucher, 1,000 ebooks, 15 training stubs, and the rest of the inclusions in the other packages as well. Ang mga nag-premium last 6 months ay nakapag-produce na ng 500 octacoins, which if converted to euros today ay magkakahalaga ng 2,500 euros at 57.33% cash value increase sa kanilang puhunan. And lastly, meet the Pro Package. The Pro Package will cost you 267,000 pesos with 1 Pro voucher, 2,000 ebooks, and 20 training stubs. Ang Pro Package na nagsimula 6 months ago, tignan nyo kung magkano na ang kinita niya. Ito ay walang invites, no sponsoring required. With 1,000 octacoins and 85.91% cash value increase, panalong-panalo ang mga nag-Pro Package 6 months ago. Mabilis na usap kung paano tayo kumikita passively. Ang Senate Holding Limited ay nagmamay-ari ng iba't ibang traditional companies under different industries. Real estate, oil and gas, sports arbitrage, e-commerce, banking and finance, etc. Ang lahat ng traditional businesses nito ang pinagkukuhaan ng company ng kanilang sinashare sa mga members na weekly rewards. Isang napaka-lucrative compensation plan from Crypto888 na dinesign para sa mga masisipag at hindi masyadong masipag na mga members. Now you know the potential of your capital, you should know how to redeem your earnings. So every week, mag-accumulate sa inyong account ang inyong cash and club rewards. You'll have 3 ways para ma-redeem ito. Una, i-bank wire sa inyong local bank account. Next is to purchase chips, codes, packages, etc. on your online dashboard. Ang difference ng bawat isa at kung gaano ito kaganda sa inyong plan to increase your weekly rewards ay i-discuss during your training. Next is to deposit your rewards to your prepaid MasterCard. Para magkaroon ng prepaid MasterCard, i-request mo ito sa iyong online dashboard, which will give you a physical prepaid MasterCard na pwede mong gamitin when you do online shopping or physical shopping. Every Monday, mag-accumulate sa iyong account ang iyong passive at active rewards. Ang Octacoins na makukuha mo starting from your 26th week ay mag-i-increase din ang value in time. Nung kami nagsisimula, ang value ng Octacoin ay 50 cents lang. Ngayon, ang isang Octacoin ay mabibili sa halagang 5 euros. Imagine ang increase in time ng Octacoin, which is making it a very hot commodity nowadays. At kung ikukumpara ito sa naging history ng Bitcoin, mas malaki ang potensyal ng Octacoin na mag-increase ang value in a year's time. Now, para sa mga katulad naming humahataw sa Pilipinas and worldwide, know how you can earn more actively. Meron tayong direct referral bonus, binary bonus, at matching bonus. Direct referral bonus is an instant bonus na na-add sa iyong account. Sa iyong first generation, meaning mga invites mo directly, you'll earn 5%. Sa iyong second generation, you'll earn 3%. Ito ay mga invites ng invite mo. Sa iyong third generation, you'll earn 2%. Ito ay ang mga invites ng invite mo. After the third generation, you'll get no more. It's time naman para sa mga iba na miyembro ng program na kumita. Ito ay ang pagpapatunay ng company na sinusuportahan niya ang lahat ng active na merong direct invites. Mas maraming direct invites, mas maraming 5% na na-add sa iyong account. Sa direct referral bonus, para makareceive ng second at third generation rewards, kailangan ma-achieve mo muna ang 6,000 personal volume on number of chips sa iyong account at 10,000 personal volume. Ito ay para sa second generation at third generation respectively. Next is binary bonus. Sa pagbubuo mo ng sarili mong structure, magkakaroon ka ng left and right leg. This is a sample scenario. Sa iyong right leg, meron kang 100,000 members. Pwedeng hindi mo na ito mga kilala. At yung left leg naman ay merong 200,000 members. Dahil mas malaki ang iyong left leg, kukuhain ang 10% ng lesser leg mo, which is your right one. So, on a Monday, magkakaroon ka ng 10,000 euros. Ganun kalaki, kung ganun kalaki ang iyong structure. At nangyayari po ito sa tunay na buhay. Isa itong pag-i-encourage ng company na tulungan mo yung mga nangangailangan ng tulong under your structure. Direct mo man sila o hindi, pag tinulungan mo sila dahil nasa lesser leg mo, may kikitain ka. Sa matching bonus, ang gagawin ng company para makuha mo ang 5% ng lahat ng direct invites mo ay kailangan ma-achieve niyo both ang 2,000 personal volume. So, pag meron na kayong 2,000 personal chips, 5% ng income ng first generation mo ay ma-add sa account mo. Same is true sa second generation at third generation. For you to receive 10% of your second generation rewards, kailangan ma-achieve niyo both yung 10,000 personal volume. Sa third generation naman, 15%. Pero kailangan ma-achieve niyo both yung 20,000 personal volume. Fourth generation, wala ka nang makukuha. Ito ay chance naman para sa mga under you na kumita. Ano ang kinakampanya ng company sa pagpo-provide ng matching bonus? Ibig sabihin nito, kahit yung mga hindi mo nakilala na invites mo, ay kailangan mong tulungan. If you want to maximize the 15%, yung third generation mo, kailangan mong tulungan na lumago yung structure. Alright, so nakita nyo na ang active at passive income streams ng Crypto 888. For you to know more, or if you have questions, you can contact us or the person who invited you to watch this video. Pwede nating i-plan ang first million mo under this program if you wanna do it passively or actively. So even without sponsoring or invites, we can make you a millionaire. And if you want to earn and learn every week, grab this chance now. Napaka-generous ng ating company to have a physical presence sa Philippines. At ito na ang hinihintay natin na kahit hindi tayo mag-invite o kahit huminto na yung structure natin sa pag-i-invite bukas, next Monday, may kita pa rin tayo. Yun ang promise ng company. Paano nila ginagawa yun? At bakit nila ginagawa yun? Drop us a line and we'll provide you all the details you need to know, licenses you need to see and authenticate, and everything na kailangan mo para lumago ang structure mo. This has been Ambassador PB Palma. You can add me on Facebook, send an SMS or call my number or email me for more information about Crypto 888 in Philippines and worldwide, about Senate EBs, Company Incorporated in Philippines, and you can join our Team Philippines Facebook group. And I want to see more of you earning passively and actively sa Crypto 888 program. See you online! Thank you for watching this video.